Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to install Simple Trainer for GTA 5. There are other trainers like Native Trainer, but I am going with Simple Trainer because it offers various options like even modding your car on the go. So to enable Simple Trainer for GTA 5, you will need these two files, namely the Simple Trainer file and script hook. And the Simple Trainer file I'm taking this from GTA5mods.com, and the next file is the script hook, and that is required to activate trainers for your game. I will leave the link for both of these in the description. Download them to enable some kind of a. Now, after downloading both these files, go to the simple trainer file and copy the trainer5.asi and trainer5.ini files and save it in your desktop. Next up, move to the scripthook file, and there you have a bin folder, and inside that you'll have three files. Copy all those and paste in your desktop. So these are the files required for activating simple trainer for GTA 5. Now go to your GTA game icon, and along with that open the file location where GTA 5 is stored. This is usually stored in program files in Rockstar games and GTA 5. So there you go. Now copy all those 5 files you extracted and paste them in the directory of GTA 5's game location. That's it, as simple as that. Now after finishing this, open the game and I'll be back. Welcome back guys, and we are at the Los Santos International Airport. And before proceeding, we had two trainer files, that is the simple trainer and native trainer. We are focusing on simple trainer, that is the trainer file.asi, and so that you will need to delete the trainer native trainer file because that's a separate trainer, and having both will overlap the trainer, so it will lead to confusion. So just delete that file. Now press F4 and that will invoke the simple trainer 5 for GTA 5, and this is how it looks like. And you have various options like vehicle spawning, object spawning, vehicle option. And vehicle option is a mod menu for the cars to play with all the turbos, the wheel kits and everything. And here we go, and you can also teleport to your locations, teleport to waypoints, and there are various locations to teleport to. Then you can also pamper with weathers, time, and a lot of things. So this is one of the powerful trainers you can have for GTA 5, and it will take a separate 10-minute video to cover all these features. So why don't you try it for yourself? So I'll leave the link in the description. Download it and do as I did in this video, so you'll have the simple trainer in your device. So thanks for watching guys. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace.